Wow, the trail into camp is muddy today. All that rain we got Sunday. Look here. Do you remember back, a while back, I think it was the fajita video, and I went down to the stocked stream and I harvested some Dos Equis amber. Well, look here. Palmetto Brewing, they've released some amber ale into the stream, and I was able to catch a couple cans. So we're gonna make some beer batter today. We're gonna do beer batter spam, that's right. So let me pay attention to this trail, it's slick and muddy, and we'll get back when we get to camp. Boy, sometimes we gotta sacrifice for Canteen Cup Tuesday, but it just wouldn't be proper cooking it at home in the house. All right, y'all, let's get some goodies out and cook. There we go. Here's the Palmetto Brewing Company, the amber ale. That's what we're gonna use in our beer batter today. In my bag here, I've got a mixture of all-purpose flour, baking powder, ground black pepper, some Mexican red pepper, some paprika, and some garlic powder. I've got a second baggie that we're gonna dredge our food with before we dip it in the batter. It's just flour. I've got some ranch dressing for dipping. The star of the show today, along with the amber ale, is the hickory smoked spam. Alright, there we go. One batter paddle and stir with it. Hey, I brought another little treat along with me too, because I had this in my refrigerator, and you know, maybe you don't want to do this with meat. Maybe you're vegetarian or vegan, and so you can do a beer batter with some vegetables. Onions, cauliflower, zucchini. So before I put my spam on here and cut it, I'm gonna cut some big onion petals, and if I have enough batter, I'm gonna make some nice big onion petals. Put them back in the baggie for right now. Let's make our batter. Now you could just do this right in the bag if you wanted to. If you're out someplace where you couldn't really do dishes. Here we go. I think that's going to be about right, y'all, because we want this to be like pancake batter consistency. And if you wanted to, now you could use a ginger ale or a root beer or whatever. It doesn't have to be just like this. You make it how you want to, okay? There we go. Man, some spam goodness there. All right, let's see here. How do I want to slice this guy? I didn't bring anything to eat with except for my natural tools. Those guys. So we're going to do this so we can make it good, manageable pieces to pick up. Let's see. That one there's kind of fat. There we go. Now, I brought this sandwich Ziploc baggie because I was thinking I could kind of do these guys shake and bake style. Because we need a little flour dredge on them. That'll help the beer batter stick to them. So, I don't know if I'm going to get them all in there the first time or not. We're gonna start with that. And we're gonna fry in a corn oil today because that's what I had. I also had olive oil, but you don't want to deep fry in olive oil. It won't withstand the heat. I see a floater. I guess he's gonna be extra protein. We'll cook him. I just looked up and we weren't recording, so I hope I got it. Got a few pieces of spam going here. Doesn't take long to cook the batter, and the Spam's already cooked. You didn't know you were toting a deep fryer around with you, did you? I just threw some plain Spam in the batter without dredging it because I'm out of my dredge. And you know what? It's sticking to it just fine. It's going to be a thinner breading on that Spam, but you know, it's going to be good. Man, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be good. All right, here goes the Spam without the dredge, a little lighter coating of batter. Man, that is a plate full of yumminess there. I couldn't even cook it all. I'm probably not going to be able to eat it all. Like a can of Spam and a half an onion, and you can feed 2 people easy. Probably need to double my batter. I was running out of batter. But I'm getting ready to eat, so let's try it out. Let's ramp up the heat a little more, a little Texas Pete. Just drizzle some of that guy on there, wherever. Man. Look at that, y'all. Why hasn't anybody done this before? I looked on YouTube. I couldn't find anybody that had done this. Oh, man. Look here. We'll see you on the trail. I'm going to eat now. I tried, y'all. I can't finish it all. I need somebody else out here at camp with me to help me. They're good, though. Maybe one more. One of the lightly battered ones. There we go. Get some good ranch dressing on there. Some Texas Pete. Y'all come get some.